What's your name?
How fast was he going? How fast was he going?
Here, record this.
It's a legal firearm. That's how you get.
After seeing a young man in a gray sweater speeding a large pickup truck through a parking lot, an officer initiates his lights and sirens, but the car speeds around a corner where he loses visuals momentarily. Once the officer makes a turn, he sees quick movements from everyone readjusting themselves and a new driver driving, with the previous driver in the back seat. This is the body camera footage that follows.
How you doing? Over Ramirez with the sheriff's office. No, I pulled you over? Okay. Two things, okay? You were driving, you guys just switched, I just saw it, okay? When you were driving in that parking lot, you were speeding. You also got a modified exhaust system. You got your driver's license? Everybody's got IDs in the car? You got ID? How old are you? You got an ID? Hey, don't shut that. You got an ID on you? Huh? No? You got an ID on you? Let me get the registration for the vehicle. You got the registration for the, I got the registration, you got the car insurance? Is this your car? Whose car? Your dad's car? Alright, anybody in this car got a medical marijuana card? Is there any marijuana in the vehicle? Be honest with me, I'm gonna tell you right now, okay? I'm gonna search the vehicle because I smell marijuana coming out. It's the odor of marijuana coming out of this vehicle. I'm giving you the opportunity to just be straight up with me. If there is, it is what it is. We can work through it. But if I find other stuff and stuff like that, then my hands are gonna be tied. You have some on you? Alright, cool. If he has marijuana, he just told me he has marijuana. So we're gonna search the whole car. I'm the type. Stop, because you're gonna turn this into something that doesn't have to be turned into, okay? So you're gonna get out of the car and you're gonna wait right here. Okay? Alright. You're gonna get out also. You're gonna have a seat right here. Just have a seat on the curb.
Well, I gotta sit.
Listen, bro, I'm not gonna play this game with you. Have a seat on the curb. Hey, go ahead and get out of the car. Grab his phone. Where's that? In here? We'll grab it for you in a second, okay? Okay, so I've explained it to you. I saw you driving, okay? You were the one that was speeding down that parking lot over there. So you either identify yourself or you go to jail for obstruction. It's up to you.
I was driving.
I've explained it to you, I'll explain it to you again, okay? I saw you with my own eyes. I have you on camera on the dash cam. You were driving when I saw you commit the infraction of speeding through a parking lot. Whip around and come right back out here.
How fast was he going?
Listen.
How fast was he going?
Listen.
How fast was he going?
What's your name?
How fast was he going?
What's your name?
If he was speeding, how fast was he going?
What's your name?
What does the thing say?
What's your name?
How fast was he
What's
going?
your name?
Look, he can't tell me.
Are you going to?
How fast was he going?
Are you going?
How fast was he going?
Are you going to?
How fast? Why you didn't pull him over there?
Hey, Batson, come over here.
How fast was he going? Since he was driving, so-called driving. Excuse me, sir.
Stand up. Stand up.
I'm not.
Stand up.
Can y'all call somebody else? No, fuck no, bro. Can y'all call somebody else, though? Because he can't tell me how fast he was going.
He can go in the back of the car.
How fast was he going? That shit don't make no fucking sense, bro. That's fucked up. Then you making Buddy look bad. He look like he's just trying to pull and just doing his job. And you just
got anything in your pockets?
You did not consent to a search neither. At all.
You have a firearm on you? How old are you?
this in a holster?
Is it?
No, it's not in a holster. No loosen the belt.
Here, record this.
It's a legal firearm. That's how you get. I have.
Record
It's
this.
a legal one.
It's registered to my name.
So I have.
I just want to loosen the belt.
She's trying to get something so bad.
It's cool. I'm not. Can you put my shirt down?
You stop grabbing him like that? Like,
I'm not. Listen, I'm not.
You're going to jail.
For what?
I'm coming to get you. You ain't got to worry about it. I'm coming to get you. You get bonded out the same day,
Back of the car.
What did he do? What does he get arrested for?
What's your name? Yeah, we'll get it for you in a second. What's your name?
Anything extra, cuz you don't have to talk to him.
How old are you? And then you are this guy right here, right? That's you? Okay. Stand up, I'll pat you down.
You're not. Sorry.
Alright, you wanna, hey, that's it. Just watch him. I'm gonna run right. What's up? Alright, so I explained it to you. I don't understand what you don't understand. Your buddies, they're hyping you up and they're gonna make you go to jail. So, how old are you? You're 22. You have a firearm on you, right? It's registered. It's registered to you. You're allowed to have it. I understand that. That's okay, right? Whose truck is that? Your dad's truck? Not smart of you, man, when you're dealing with law enforcement and you're just have a gun tucked into you like that. You know? I said it's not smart of you to just, when we're dealing with all this like that, for you to just keep the fact that you have a gun on you. Just, you know, at least let, you know, to prevent anything, just let people know that you have a gun. You guys brothers? You checked the car already?
Yeah. I got the stuff from the passenger. He's on state probation.
I know.
Yeah.
This is the owner of the truck? This guy right here, right? Your dad? Yeah? Alright. Why'd you guys switch seats? You got no license, your license is revoked, and you just recently went to jail for it, right? A few months ago, right? That's the reason why. By you guys switching seats like that, you're obstructing. Because now you guys are trying to lie, and you guys are trying to, you know what I mean? So, it's not a good look, especially when I'm asking you. I'll be right back, okay, buddy? Hey, what's your name? Alright, stand up. Put your hands behind your back. Right now, you're just being detained, okay? What? Obstruction. How? Remember when you jumped in the front of the driver's seat to drive with your brother? Didn't have a driver's license? That's why. Saw it with my own eyes. And then I came up to you guys. I asked you guys nicely. What'd you say? Nah. That ain't happen. Okay, you're still obstructing at that point. Okay. Anything in your pockets? Please. Okay. You want everything to come with you or what? Yeah. Okay. All right. Just hang on to that. I'll be right back. Have a seat. What, did we test what we found?
Yep. It's all been tested.
Yeah. How much was it that this kid had?
Probably $500,000.
Stand up. Put your money back. Does your mom know where you are right now? Yeah? Okay. Does your mom know you smoke weed? Yeah? You can go in the back of Batson's car. Where's Batson? Is this your phone, buddy?
No, that's my phone. It's not phone.
Hey, you can go ahead and stand up again. This phone's yours, brother. Is there anything else on you? I know you requested a sergeant. Sergeant's on the way, okay? We'll come and talk to you. No firearms or anything else on you? I know your brother had one, so are they on you? Just sitting here for now. Hey, how old are you, bro? 24. 24? That's your wallet? That's your phone? Yeah. You want me to take it with you? It's gonna either stay in the car and the car's gonna get towed. Is your grandma here?
She was the old lady in front of the truck.
Oh, okay, I got you. So you want me to give your property to her?
She's still right there?
Yeah, she's in the front.
Showed
Is
up.
that mom?
Yeah, I told her she's gonna wait for the jail.
Okay. You told her what happened? Yeah. What'd she say?
She was crying the entire time. So
He just told me that the mom knows that he smokes weed.
yeah, she.
Hi, Grandma. How you doing? Okay. So did they explain it to you? Your grandkids, okay? They were doing something that is not good. One of them was driving with no license, and then they switched seats on me, trying to make me believe that they were not breaking the law. Okay, so they're both gonna go to jail today for that. Okay, they told me to give you this. This is their property.
Okay.
His phone, Gerald's phone, and then the other guy's phone. Okay, they said you can take it home with you. Okay,
All right.
and you can hold it for them.
Now the home.
There's gonna be. They're both gonna go to jail. Yes. Yep. Daquan's gonna go to jail because he jumped into the driver's seat and trying to tell me that he was driving. He lied. When he lies, that's obstruction. So that you can't do that. Okay? I saw them switch seats. Okay? Yeah.
So what about the other two?
The other one had marijuana in his pocket, so he's gonna go to jail too.
Which one?
The Spanish one.
Oh, well, okay. But what's the other one got?
The other one is just gonna be set free to go.
Okay, well, I guess I can take him home.
Okay, I'll wait. I'll just wait for me here, and then I'll let you know. Okay.
Okay.
All right. What's your name, bro? What's your name?
Kyrie.
What is it?
Kyrie.
Kyrie. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of you.
Yes, sir.
And then you're gonna be set to go. Okay.
All right.
All right, you're good. So she said she's gonna drive you home.
All right.
All right. See you, man.
Have a good one, guys. I got all the evidence as well as signal zero, so I'll just meet you at property and evidence.
This is phone. Yeah. Okay. Who's gonna do that Toshi for me?
They're already
They're
working
doing it?
on
Okay,
it.
cool.
So you're just waiting on 10 to get here?
Let me ask him. I think 10's right there.
Okay. All right, I'm going to break off. You want to start knocking out that intake?
I talked to your grandma. I let her know what you guys did about switching seats and stuff. And, that's illegal, bro. That's illegal because you're obstructing my investigation. Especially when I go up to the window.
I know, but I'm saying, like, how is that obstructing?
Because I saw him commit the infraction. So when I go make contact with him, he's telling me, nah, that wasn't me. That wasn't me. I was driving. So right there, you're costing me. You're obstructing my investigation.
Yeah, I didn't actually comment on that. So.
Okay. All right. Well, everything's recorded, bro. Everything's on camera. Everything's recorded. Okay. Even this camera right here is gonna catch you guys speeding, and it's gonna catch you guys coming out to that stop sign. It's gonna catch the modified exhaust. It's gonna catch you guys switching seats because I was literally.
Everything on that truck was stopped.
Okay. I'm not even worried about that. I'm not even gonna write you a ticket for that. But I
Had no stuff on it.
no.
But like, that's not. Come on, bro. Like, I'm just trying to
Listen, I'm gonna tell you right now what I'm gonna do, okay? I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do, okay? I'm only going to hit you with obstruction.
come on.
That's it. That's it.
You know how long
That's all I'm gonna do. But you guys cannot do that. You guys cannot do that. I don't care about you recording me. I don't care about that, dude. I have a camera on me, myself. Okay? Just because you record me is not gonna stop me from doing my job.
I'm just trying to make sure I'm safe too. Cause you came kind of hostile, bro.
No, I came in good, and then when you guys started going obstructing, hey, gentleman, right here, want to talk to you.
Okay.
What's up? Corporal Bermudez?
Yeah.
Being detained or arrested?
He's arrested. Obstruction. Obstruction.
Did you explain it to him already?
Yeah.
What was he arrested for, Corporal Bermudez?
He was arrested for obstruction.
There you go. You're arrested for obstruction.
Now, switching seats to rearrange yourself while driving is not illegal. It is when you are under investigation, as the police are behind you with sirens and lights on. 22-year-old Darren was charged with driving while license is suspended or revoked and obstruction of a police officer. Obstruction is when you do something on purpose, not just refusing to talk, that hampers or delays an officer who is doing a lawful duty. Examples can include running from a lawful stop, giving a false identity during detention, physically blocking access, pulling away from cuffs, or switching seats during a police stop. All subjects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law.